Digital products have the potential to change the industry by using data in different ways, enabling better and faster solutions to the problems we need to solve. How can we ensure we get continuous improvements and avoid one-off custom solutions? How can we scale what we are doing on the Norwegian continental shelf? Before we jump into our approach to this challenge, let me give you a quick intro to who we are. Solution Seeker is a deep tech and managed AI as a service company. We leverage the newest developments within machine learning and AI to support the next great leap in digital transformation of production teams. We do this with our Production Compass AI software. Our AI fuels on vast amounts of raw production data, like pressures, temperatures, and valve positions. These time series are continuously sampled and traced back for years. Automatically mined data is our foundation. We use that to build advanced models, products, and services in the area of production optimization. But being at the forefront in the technical domain is not enough, which brings us back to the topic of this talk, the challenge of scaling digital transformation. To survive and thrive, Solution Seeker has had to change three fundamental building blocks of our business and offering to truly leverage the power of sensors and data. The first is a business model change. We are at the dawn of the outcome economy. The outcome economy shifts companies from selling products to delivering the results that actually matter to the customer. A first step on this path is to offer services instead of products. A good example here are well flow rates. Knowledge about multi-phase flow rates, which means the oil, gas, and water flowing from each well, is of crucial importance to the operation of an asset. Now, there are a multitude of different products addressing this issue. Despite this prevalence, our experience and analysis of 8 different assets show that half the time the estimates have an error rate of 20% or more. And the problem is not necessarily that these products are not good enough from a technical standpoint. It has more to do with the way they are delivered. Instead of selling our data-driven virtual flow meters as products, at Solution Seeker, we are offering the flow rates as a service. That means live and fully qualified rates that the engineer can trust with real-time quality measures. This is what we call a managed AI as a service offering. Managed AI means it's based on AI technology that needs supervision from the supplier to enable the crucial qualification and as a service type of delivery. The second change has to do with our mindset and workflow around operations. A huge advantage of having so much data and information available is that we can truly become condition-based in everything we do. But many workflows in our industry are still very much time or routine-based. A good example here is well testing, which is usually done at both set intervals and kept for a fixed amount of time. This approach is quite natural when the information needed to prioritize wells for testing has been unavailable in a structured and real-time way. But well test scheduling and live decision-making during the test can truly become condition-based, so that we're always testing the well that needs it the most, instead of once per month on a fixed schedule. In Solution Seeker, we have created a well test application that automatically prioritizes wells for testing, based, among other things, on the well flow rates and the real-time qualities, as I mentioned previously. This application also helps to dynamically decide when to end the test based on predefined quality requirements, often leading to shorter tests and more test capacity. But to truly leverage this technology and capture the value, we have to embrace the condition-based mindset in everything we do. If the offshore operator's test process and other tasks is built around fixed test lengths of 6 hours, even the most intelligent well test application will fail at capturing the value that a condition-based approach represents. In our experience, the effort needed to achieve this shift is underestimated. People want the magic of AI, but overlook the painful changes needed to the way they have always been doing things. Finally, let's discuss the point about avoiding custom one-offs to enable scale. One important point here is that custom solutions or tailoring is not necessarily a bad thing. If the value is great enough, tailored one-offs can make economic sense. And too much standardization puts us at the risk of not being applicable at the assets we're trying to support. And this risk is very real in our industry. Every asset and its set of opportunities for improved performance is truly unique. On the other hand, standardization is essential to scaling efficiently. To balance this trade-off, we asked ourselves, how can we use customization to fuel standardization? Our approach is a highly collaborative product development workflow. This workflow is a funnel that starts with cross-disciplinary workshops for ideation with the client, followed by a prioritization of those ideas and culminating in data analysis that proves the value and feasibility of the most promising of those ideas we started with. Custom piloting then follows for quick testing in real operations. And finally, an evaluation is done to decide if the solution is fit for standardization. Usually the same pilot is customized and tested across our clients to prove the potential for standardization. Only then the large investment is made to create fully generalized, scalable software products that are commercialized in the managed AI as a service model. This allows us to work very efficiently with digitalization and create solutions that make sense across fields, operators, and regions. We believe that this is the ultimate way to globally scale what we're doing here on the Norwegian continental shelf. To learn more, check out our website at solutionseeker.no. Thank you for listening.